I've never heard of this before until this TikTok video. Mouth typing is an increasingly popular home treatment that's supposed to be used to encourage nose breathing
Mm.
during sleep by literally placing a porous tape over the mouth before falling asleep. So, taping your own mouth shut. The hope is that it encourages people who maybe typically are mouth breathers to nose breathe, and that way they could theoretically get better sleep at night.
Interesting. Okay, I will say that when I mentioned this to my husband, he was like, "It sounds like you're just trying to murder me in my sleep."
My husband said the same thing. He was like, "Isn't that just going to kill you?"
Yeah, he's like, "Is this another ploy to get rid of me?"